Tonight we are looking at cloudy conditions moving on in out ahead of the anticipated rain for late tonight into tomorrow. And we can see that clouds moving on in throughout the day. It was actually sunny at one point today. Take a look outside here in the Cape though, and again overcast skies here tonight though. Some parts of Florida already starting to see that rain moving in here even at this evening hour. Let's take a look at the radar and you can see up towards Pine Ridge, Spring Hill, just north of Tampa, and that shield of moisture up across the Gulf of Mexico, extending all the way out to actually to Louisiana, New Orleans, into that cloud cover and rain here this evening. So what is going on here the rest of the night? You're looking at 10 o'clock, starting to see some showers moving into the Sarasota area, and then not even until you get in towards about 1 o'clock in the morning. That's when we'll start to see shower chances increasing across southwest Florida and then becoming more widespread through the 5 o'clock hour into the morning commute. So do expect wet roads tomorrow morning. Maybe plan accordingly for that. Give yourself an extra couple of minutes. And we're expecting this really throughout the morning hours. And then once you get into the early afternoon, rain chance is actually going to quickly end here as the cold front finally pushes on through the evening hours and clears us out actually pretty quickly here tomorrow evening. So as for tonight, rain late, 59 degrees going to be that overnight low temperature for you. And then already in front of the cold front because of all the cloud cover and the rain, we're only looking at high temperatures tomorrow in the mid 60s inland, maybe upper 60s closer to the coastline. But again, more of the morning rain and then clearing into the evening hours. So how much rain are we talking? Well, maybe a quarter to a half inch worth of rain. I can't rule out a couple pockets though closer to that 1 inch mark. This is not the rainfall that we saw, say, Christmas Day, that record rainfall, but you add the two together, we could easily see some spots over the week picking up over 3 inches worth of rain, and which is obviously great news when it comes to our ongoing drought. And we do get the new drought index tomorrow, but we're looking at a lot better place than we were, say, a week ago. Places like Punta Gorda still 4 inches below normal, 10 inches below normal in Fort Myers. A lot more rain needed down in Collier County. Still Naples, almost 20 inches below normal. But hey, we'll take any bit of rain that we can get this dry season. But you get past Thursday, a lot drier air works its way in, as well as a lot cooler air works its way in. Normal high temperature for the date, 76 degrees. Not seeing that over the next 7 days. In fact, look at Saturday, 65 degrees. Going to be the coolest day of the next 7. And then if you're thinking, what about my New Year's Eve plans? Well, it's going to be cool. At least it's going to be dry for us. Closely clear skies. Nice weather for anyone going out with any fireworks displays, maybe hanging out with friends, family, you name it. But if you're going to be anticipating to spend any time outdoors, maybe a jacket, hoodie, just kind of plan accordingly for the weather. But we are expecting again this cooler weather to last not only just through the weekend, but in towards the start of next year. Yep, next year. Can you believe it's already here? Monday being New Year's Day, 69 degrees. It's going to stay in the upper 60s there on Tuesday as well. We do have another frontal system starting to worm things back up there on Wednesday, back up into the low 70s, and we'll kind of be hanging out, I think, in the 60s, 70s, probably pretty much in for the next week into the start of the new year.